Still spending hours in fixing messy data instead of finding insights? Well, you are not alone. A lot of professionals spend valuable time in cleaning and reshaping data when they could have analyzed something which actually matters. That's why we created a course, Power Query Pro Data Analytics with projects and Encode. Those endless manual tasks of cleaning data not only drain your productivity but also hold back your confidence and career growth. With 100 plus lectures, 60 plus downloadable material, lifetime access, a certificate of completion at the end of the course, and 8 plus hours of video lectures, you are going to learn something which you will actually use in your own life. So stop fixing data and start making decisions. So click on the link below to find further details of the course.